Here is the Maono WM820 wireless microphone system, and if you just came here to find out what this sounds like, you don't have to wait anymore. You are already listening to the system. This segment is being recorded with the internal microphone of the transmitter. This wireless microphone system was sent to me for free by Maono, and that's why I'm marking this video as an advertisement. And now I have switched over to the external clip-on microphone, which is included in the set. The system works in the 2.4 GHz band. Operation distance up to 50 meters, according to the manufacturer. That might be a bit optimistic, and it certainly is line of sight with no obstacles in between. And another claim, 6 hours of battery life. The system is available in white or black, and I got the black version. And back to the camera's internal microphone. Here is what comes inside the box. Of course, we have the transmitter and receiver. We have not one, but two windscreens for the built-in microphone of the transmitter. There is the external clip-on microphone, which does come with a little detachable foam windscreen as well. There is a pouch for storage, two short USB-C cables for charging, and two audio cables. This one is labeled camera because it has a TRS connector. This one is labeled phone because it has a TRRS connector. And here is the instruction manual, which does give you instructions as pictures, as well as some written instructions and some specifications. Let's take a closer look at the two devices. First, the transmitter. It has a clip on the bottom for mounting it. On the side, we have three buttons: a power button, a mute button, and a pairing button. Around here is the internal omnidirectional microphone. The two holes off to the side are for mounting the windscreen. That just clips in place with two clips on either side. We have the input for the external microphone and two status LEDs. This one is for the battery status. It starts flashing red when the charge level is below 20%. And this green LED is for the connection status. When it's constantly lit, there is a connection from the transmitter to the receiver. When it's flashing slowly, there is no connection, and when it's flashing fast, a connection is being established. On the bottom, we have the USB-C connector for charging. And here is the receiver. Again, it has a clip on the bottom for mounting it, and you would expect that this would slide into the accessory shoe of a camera or camcorder for mounting this properly. But I have tried this on 4 different cameras, and I have to say, on 2 cameras, this clip didn't fit. It was too thick. On the side, again, we have 3 buttons: a power button, a volume plus, and a volume minus button for adjusting the output volume of the receiver and matching it to the sensitivity of the microphone input that this is plugged into. And if you push both buttons at the same time, they turn into the pairing button. Over here is the output connector and a headphone output, and this is useful because, of course, the regular output is designed to plug into a sensitive microphone input of a camera. However, if you're using something like an audio recorder that expects higher level signals, you should be able to use the headphone output for that, and this has, of course, a higher level than the regular output. Again, we have the two status LEDs for battery and the connection, and on the bottom we have the USB-C connector for charging. These two devices are very small, as you can no doubt see, and they're also very light. The sound of this segment is once again recorded using the wireless microphone system and the external clip-on microphone. So, what are my thoughts on this system? Well, the first thing that comes to mind is the ease of use. The system comes with all the accessories that you need, including the TRRS cable for the phone. So I didn't have to make up any adapters for this video. I could just connect the system straight to the phone. Also, I didn't have to do anything to get this to work. I turned on the transmitter and receiver and it just worked. I didn't have to do any pairing. So I'm quite impressed with that. Also, I am quite impressed with the quality of the transmitter's internal microphone. It is quite sensitive, so one application that comes to mind is when you want to record a conference. You could just place the transmitter in the center of the table, and the internal microphone should be able to get a good recording of all the people sitting around the table. There are, however, a few things that I don't like, and the first thing you have no doubt already noticed, the system does have some background noise. I'm going to be silent for a moment, and you'll certainly be able to hear it. So that is not ideal, and this is not caused by any external devices. The phone that's recording this video is in airplane mode, so the noise must be inside the microphone system. Also, the indicator LEDs are very dim, so if you are using these microphones outside on a sunny day, you are probably not going to see what those indicators are trying to tell you. But that's it. I'd like to thank Maono for sending this wireless microphone system. I'm certainly going to use it in the future. Thank you for watching.